Sabi ko, di ko ano kung ano kayang nangyari nito. Kasi yun pala, parang want that one, babe? Okay. Juice? It's too early for juice, baby. Later. Okay? Morning na, kachika. Hindi naman umuulan pero malamig sa labas. Wala na tayong ano dyan ba? Ano namin kailangan ng linisin sa labas? Yung glass ba mga kachika ba?
The last one.
Which one, babe?
The Weetabix.
Weetabix?
Yeah.
Last ba? Okay. Can always buy more later.
Why is it so huge?
It's like that, big. Sarap sana matulog. Kay, ano ba, alam niyo yun, day off ko. Bukas ako work and then sunod-sunod 2 araw. Bukas and then the next day. Kasi yung dalawa, ang asa din naman nagigising. Excuse me. Okay.
I need some help.
Go get your spoon. Get Alice a spoon as well, babe.
Okay. Is there a little bit more? A little bit of milk for mom? A little bit.
You want a little, you want more? People they get also Weetabix.
All of the people in.
Not all. Some Weetabix, some porridge, some toast, some cereal, like that.
In this neighborhood. In here.
Yeah.
I thought we didn't have poppy cereal, but that's, I don't know why. I thought we didn't have poppy cereal. But we didn't. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she didn't have poppy. Poppy shopping. This is it too. Okay, then what?
Leave her, Lina. Leave her now. Leave her now. That's it now. That's it. Alis kami mga kachika. Ngayon tuloy na palis na kami. Ay tingin ko sa labas umulan. Kanina di nga umulan. Naglaro pa nga yung mga bata sa may trampoline. Ngayon tuloy lakas na ng ulan.
Ow.
Okay, stand up daw. Put that one down. Okay, stand up. Okay, that's it. Here ka na. Alisa, eating already.
Already? We only started driving.
Di pa nga nakaalis, kaalis lang. Kinain na yung baon. Dati pag pumupunta kami dito, mag-parking kami dito na side, much easier noon mga katsika kasi may bridge siya papunta dyan sa Primark. Ngayon kasi cleanlos nila yung yung bridge na yan. Siguro kasi minsan dito dati maraming mga, alam niyo yun, yung mga homeless ba mga katsika. Nagtatambay sila dyan. So siguro baka nagka-problema din sila yung mga nagnanakaw, kaya cleanlos. Matagal-tagal na din niya. Diyan pa na camera pala dyan. So, punta kami dito kaya bibilhin ako ni Mr. ng shoes. Tapos yung mga bata, nagkuha din sila mga katsika. Sabi niya gusto din daw nila ng shoes. Yung daddy niya, walang Sabi niya, sige, bili din kayo, bilhan ko din kayo. Pero yan talaga yung mga pagpinili nila mga katsika. Hindi din, kasi maano yan siya. Mag-light ba?
What about the other one? Is that light up too?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That doesn't light.
Okay, you have to walk. Don't do that.
No, it doesn't light up that much.
Walk daw, Lisa. Lisa, walk. Yeah, doesn't light up.
I'll have to change it.
You have to, we ask the lady if she can check. You're not gonna wear now, na? No? Okay.
That one's 45 and this one's 60.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
45, 60. Okay. That's nice. Umakyat talaga dito. Ay, tingin daw siya sa view. That's what you see. Okay, here, look. Alisa, here. Look, see? Alisa? Yeah. It says here, do not climb. See? Do not climb.
Okay, let's go. I don't want to stay here.
No. No. It's opposite, Daddy. We can go here, oh.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go take the lift.
Okay, take the left. You look like teenager.
He does.
Teenager na, oh. Ayan na talaga, mapapigil yan. Papunta na doon. Dali, this way. Need G. Letter G.
G.
Letter G.
G. G. G.
Good.
Ga. Ga is for? Ga is for? Ga is for? Pag-utot?
It was Nina. No, it wasn't.
It's Alisa, I think.
Yeah, it's just
No,
that.
it wasn't.
Dito kami sa taas mga katsika. Dito kami sa Papay. Dahil ko alam kung gano'n yung pag-pronounce ko. Ito ba? Ganyan. Yung famous chicken. Famous Louisiana chicken.
Yeah, it's not.
Louisiana, it's United States. Dito tayo. Mister nandoon. Naka-order na kami. Pero di nesta. You put this one already?
Is this, wait, what's the name? Wait. Dates.
Last time, nagpunta din kami dito. Nakita din namin to. Sabi ni Mr. We should try that one. Yung plano namin na pupunta ka sana kami ng cafe sa John Lewis. Sayo ayaw man pumunta doon ni Lisa. Kahit nag-decide na lang kami na dito. Kasi dinadaanan din namin. Pauwi na din kami kasi yung pinunta lang talaga namin dito ay sapatos. Ganun. Kasi kailangan kong bagong sapatos sa work kasi sumasakit yung dito ko, hinliliit ng aking yung sa paa ko ba, yung hinliliit ko, sumasakit siya mga kachika every time na magsasapatos ako. I think kasalanan ko din naman na nagkaganito kasi yung di ba may binili ako na sapatos, tapos yung sapatos na yun binili ko siya sa Shein. So simula noon na ginagamit ko to, may nagka-problema na talaga ako dito sa paa ko na masakit siya pag nagsusuot ako ng sapatos. Sabi ko, di ko ano kung ano kayang nangyari nito. Kasi yun pala, parang cause ng sakit na ito is yung sa sapatos ko na mumurahin. Kaya sabi ni Mr. I don't understand you daw bakit na bumibili ka daw na mumurahin sa sapatos na para sa trabaho. Pag sa trabaho daw, kaya you always make sure na yung komportable na sapatos, yung magagamit mo ba na pang matagalan. Ayan, nilibre niya kami. So dapat ako lang yung bibilihan niya kasi yung mga bata nagpili-pili din doon ng sapatos nila. Pero plano din namin na bibilihan namin sila ng boots. Yeah, I did already, babe. Pero yun, hindi boots. Punta kami ng Clark. No. There's no signal here. They're going to keep calling you. Lisa. Yan, dito sa niya Lisa mga katsikaw, ang dami niyang freckles. Kasi umiiyak siya, tapos inaano niya yung mata niya. So ngayon tuloy parang may freckles siya. Pero hindi, yung parang dugo ba mga katsika ba? Na muo-muo. May ganyan ako dati sa mukha ko noong nanganak ako sa kanya. So parang pangusog ba? Sa Bisaya. Yeah.
No straws.
Yeah, straws, okay. It's big. Not all for...
Thank you.
No, wait. Hold down.
I want my chicken spicy.
Spicy.
Spice.
Ganito pala. Garlic mayo. Yeah, that's what we need first.
Help it.
What do you want to do?
No.
You don't want it? Oh my goodness. How was it now?
We're a fast food chicken. This is the Popeyes.
Kain tayo mga kasika? Is it served?
No.
No? Hindi daw the same sa original na Luciana.
No, not that I remember.
No?
Very salty. Eat the chicken as well. Not the skin. Masarap. KFC. KFC. Yeah, but it's all mystery. That's mystery pieces, you know what you get with that one. Huh? KFC. Pigeon head, you think? Huh? That's mystery.
Masarap to pag may rice.
£22 for that.
Ang dalawa, oh. Banat ng pinagtatangkad. Ako lang yung mabubusog nito. Oh. Meron pa na itong dip. Yeah, eat that. Fries. Add some more, Daddy?
No, I don't want it more. Enough Coke for you? Enough? Here, try that. Any good?
I know. It's good.
Fries, essentially.
This one?
No good, Lena? Everything.
No good? It's good? It's good. It's like the Domino's pa rin.
What's that?
Dip.
Oh, is it?
Garlic herb.
What? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. Wow, look at that. Nice. Finishing fast, eh? Fast. Driving fast. Ganda ng rainbow mga kachika, oh.
I can see red.
Dark.
I can only see red, yellow, and green.
Quite bright, isn't it?
5:30 ng gabi mga kachika. Katatapos lang swimming ng mga bata, dumiretso na kami. You keep that one. Dumiretso na lang din kami punta dito galing doon sa Exeter kasi nga ganun pa din naman kakapano na yung pag... No, it's okay. It's okay. I carry it. I carry it.
Carry it, don't worry.
Take it, give me all the, you know, the stuff.
You asked for this one. You asked for it.
Come on, this one. Pauwi na din kami mga kachik. 5:30 pa lang naman. Sadyang madilim na talaga kasi nga, di ba? Change na yung weather.
It's not very nice to watch, Lina. It's not for kids. Tingnan naman sa Alisa. Oh, ganda pa ako. Naka-4 pa.